Welcome to University of Iowa Healthcare's new academic medical campus in North Liberty, home to the Department of Orthopedics and Rehabilitation. Here, you'll find the full scope of musculoskeletal care services, plus a new emergency department, and a retail pharmacy with the area's only 24-hour drive-through option. Our campus is designed with your visit in mind, with the access and convenience you expect, and it's all right here in North Liberty. Our main entrance leads you to a bright, welcoming lobby and information desk. From here, it's easy to see that the North Liberty campus is one facility with two wings, each with its own set of elevators just steps away. To the left, a 5-story medical office building with orthopedic outpatient clinics, sports medicine, and a physical therapy gym. To the right, a 3-story hospital with an emergency department, operating suites, pre-operative and post-operative rooms, inpatient beds, imaging services, and a retail pharmacy. For most orthopedic appointments, you'll turn left from the lobby. Level 1 is where you check in for the sports medicine clinic, the orthopedic injury walk-in clinic, or pre-surgical evaluation clinic. In the main hallway outside the clinics, natural light fills the seating areas from floor to ceiling windows, creating a calm, comfortable space for patients and visitors. And the athletic memorabilia in the glass cases or along the walls are well worth a closer look. At the far end of the hall is the physical therapy gym. It is open and expansive, with a high ceiling and the feel of a collegiate-level sports practice facility. And on sunny days, you may even rehab on walking paths, outdoor stairs, a grass turf field, and even a putting green. If your orthopedic appointment is on level 4 or 5, take elevator A. Once you step out, you'll find the clinic receptionist is ready to get you checked in. Across levels 4 and 5, we have 60 dedicated exam rooms, focused on every part of the musculoskeletal system. These clinic areas are equipped with a variety of state-of-the-art equipment and resources that your provider may use to diagnose and treat you. Back to the main lobby. Let's explore the right wing of the new North Liberty campus. Elevator B allows you to access the orthopedic surgery services. Pre- and post-operative care is on level 2, and the inpatient unit is on level 3. Level 2 has 12 operating rooms as well as 2 procedural rooms for treatments performed under local anesthesia. There's also space where you'll be prepped for surgery and where you'll be transported immediately after your procedure. Heading up a floor to level 3 is our 36-bed inpatient unit. These private rooms are designed with rest, recovery, and comfort in mind. Located on level 1 of the hospital wing and accessible just behind and to the right of the main lobby information desk is the lab and radiology check-in area. This is where we offer outpatient lab services, such as blood draw, as part of your care. This check-in area is also where you go for diagnostic imaging, and the North Liberty campus is home to some of the most sophisticated imaging systems in healthcare. The imaging services at North Liberty campus truly are comprehensive, and they're not limited to orthopedic patients. Any patient with any condition that requires a scan may choose to have their imaging done here. A full-service emergency department, serving all patients in the community with any type of emergency care need, is also located on level 1 of the hospital wing, with its own designated entrance and check-in. The 14-room emergency department offers comprehensive care, including advanced trauma and life support if necessary. If needed, we are capable of transferring patients to UI Healthcare's University campus for a broader range of medical, surgical, specialty, or subspecialty care. It's worth noting that many of the emergency care rooms have a window, a distinctive touch that patients and staff appreciate. The emergency care unit uses a team approach that features a specially designed triage space that enhances workflows and space allocation so that patients are seen sooner and more efficiently. And for patients needing prescription or over-the-counter medications or durable medical equipment, the on-site pharmacy is a great resource. All surgical patients and inpatients receive medications through this pharmacy, and any outpatient can choose to use this pharmacy for their needs. In fact, this pharmacy is available to the community in general with the added convenience of a 24/7 drive-through option for pickup outside of the retail pharmacy lobby hours. It's the area's only drive-through pharmacy that's open around the clock, and another example of how we're providing greater access and convenience for the community. The North Liberty campus offers amenities and features that will enhance your patient care experience, such as natural lighting, creating a bright and spacious environment. You'll get timely, expert care in a place that's designed with your comfort in mind. It's access and convenience, care coordination and expertise, in a welcoming, state-of-the-art facility that's built for Iowa. And that's what you'll find at UI Healthcare's North Liberty campus.